Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will go for question answer discussion of 2019 paramedical exam of railway pharmacist. So here are some questions. We will discuss all the questions in separate chapters. Okay, let's start. The first question, what it was asked, under which schedule good manufacturing practice of Ayurveda, Siddha and for all Unani drugs are described. So generally what happen, while you are going for any competitive exam, we should choose one particular answer. If you don't know the answer, then reject rest of the three. So this is the trick behind doing any MCQs. So here the first option is Schedule M. So generally we know that Schedule M is for GMP certification. Schedule Z, so I don't think that Schedule Z is there in 1940 Drug and Cosmetic Act. Schedule S, these are the standards for cosmetics, and so these three questions are not there. That means the answer will be Schedule T. The right answer is Schedule T. Option D is the right answer. Next, how many chromosomes are there in the human beings? As you all know, so there are 23 pairs of chromosomes. That means 46 in number. Okay, the answer is B. So question number 3 asks, the sum of kinetic and potential energy of an object is its total energy. Yes, total energy. So the answer is mechanical energy. Now I will go for question number 4. So which of the following is also known as Council of States? This is a question of current affairs and GK. So the options are Rajya Sabha, Lok Sabha, Vidhan Sabha and Corporation Assembly. The answer which is suits it is for A. Now let's go for the next question. Entamoeba histolytica belongs to class dash. So first question, fungus. It is not the answer. Protozoa is the right answer, because fungus is coming under different class, that is called as a fungi. Next we will go for question number 6. Type 3 of drug master file give information about dash. So here we have to go for, there are 5 types of DMF or drug master file. There are 5 types of DMF or drug master file. So the first one is not there. Type 2 is there, which is for drug substances. Type 3 is there, which is for packaging material. Type 4 is for excipient and colorants, and type 5 is for FDA accepted references. Okay, so here it asks type 3, the answer will be packaging material. Internationally accepted method for measuring obesity, you know it better, BMI or body mass index. Next question number 8. Next, indicate the problem in the dosage form when camphor and menthols are added together. So hygroscopic means which will absorb moisture. Effervescent substance, these are the substance which will absorb which will leave the moisture content. And eutectic mixture means which will get liquefied. The answer is eutectic mixture. Question number 9, in differential thermal analysis, a record is made of the dash. So thermal analysis means it is the difference of temperature only. Question number 10, electroreducible substance can be determined by. So generally potentiometry, it is a method for electrical potential, difference between electrical potential. Calorimetry, it is heat transfer due to change of body temperature, it related to temperature. Amperometry means so it is called electroreducible substance can be determined. That means detection of ion. Ion detection is otherwise known as amperometry. Now last one is conductometry. Conductometry means measurement of electricity conductivity. Now I will go for question number 11. The source of vincristine. The source of vincristine is dash. The answers are Punica granuloma. So you know that vincristine, vinblastine all are coming from Vinca rosea or otherwise known as Catharanthus roseus. So the answer is given there on the option D. But if you leave the three difficulties, Punica granuloma, so this is the physical source of pomegranate. Solanum paniculata, so this is the jujubera. Ricinus communis, this is otherwise known as castor seeds, and Catharanthus roseus remain, so that will be the answer. Mild shampoos are prepared with dash. Mild shampoos are generally prepared by amphoteric surfactants. So this is the answer. In HPLC, while supplying mobile phase by mechanical pump, which device is required to smooth out the pulses? HPLC, which device gives the pulses? So the device name is damping device. Okay, the question number 14 asks sodium bicarbonate is commonly known as dash. So the answers are caustic soda, baking soda, Epsom salt, Rochelle salt. Caustic soda, you know that sodium hydroxide is known as caustic soda, NaOH. Baking soda will be the answer. But if you go for other two, Epsom salt, magnesium sulfate is known as Epsom salt, Rochelle salt, sodium potassium tartarate is otherwise known as Rochelle salt. The answer is baking soda. Question number 15. Estimation of serum creatinine is considered to be more reliable indicator for the evaluation of dash. So if there is more amount of creatinine in the blood, then kidney function is not working properly. So the answer is directly related to kidney. Question number 16. The Indian Army constructed the longest suspension bridge called Maitri Bridge along the river dash. So the answer will be Indus. The answer is Indus. The D option is the answer. Question number 17 asks, in this question, relationship between different element is shown in the statement. This statement is followed by three conclusions. Assume the given statement to be true and choose the answer from the given option. So here is the statement: B is greater than R, greater than O, and greater than W, and greater than N. So here the first option is B is greater than O. So here from the statement it is correct. Second option is R is greater than W. R is greater than W means, so it is equal to W is lesser than R. So the second option is also correct. Third option, B is greater than N. So from the direct statement it shows that B is greater than N. So all of the follows. The option is B. Question number 18. The reaction between an acid and a base to give a salt and water is known as acid base. The reaction is always give salt and water. Salt and water means it is a neutralization reaction. So question number 19 asks an internal device which can be used to store information. So this answer is hard drive, because all others are floppy disk, CD. These are the are used externally. So hard drive is the only option which is used internally. Question number 20. Lignans are the constituent of dash. Lignans are the constituent of flax seeds. Direct answer. So chapter 3 of Drug and Cosmetic Act 1940 and rules 1945 give information about dash. So there are different chapters under Drug and Cosmetic Act. So here chapter 3, imports of drug and cosmetic. Question number 22. Sound cannot travel in dash. So still it can be moved, air it can be moved, water it is moving. The answer remains vacuum. Question number 23. Drugs which are having high solubility and low permeability are called as dash. So if If you go for BCS classification, then first one is class 1 is high solubility and high permeability, class 2 is low solubility, high permeability, class 3 is high solubility, low permeability, and class 4 is low solubility, low permeability. So the answer is class 3 drugs. Question number 24. So rule 1 to 134 of drug and cosmetic rules stipulates that no cosmetic shall be imported which contains coal tar color other than the one prescribed in schedule dash. So the answer will be Q. It is a very difficult question. Question number 25. By selling a CPU for 6,785, a man makes a profit of 15%. At what price should he sell it to make a profit of 25%? For this question, first of all, you have to take buying price. Buying price equal to 100. Let buying price equal to 100. Selling price equal to 115. Then only he makes 15% profit. Next, at what price should he sell it to make a profit? So here 115 is equal to 6,785. 1 equal to 6,785 by 1. So by 115. So buying price equal to 6,785 divided by 115 into 100. So the answer will be, so the buying price is 5,900. Now selling price at 25% profit, that 5,900 into 125 divided by 100. The answer will be 7,375.